This 2024 CrossRoads Sunset Trails Super Lite SS285CK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 32 feet 5 inches in length and features a smoky tan interior, sleeps 6, spare tire kit, Skylight, oven, stove-top burner, TV, external shower, LP detector, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 CrossRoads Sunset Trails Super Lite SS285CK is 6,588 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.